these $10? Yeah, these are $10 6-inch pots, but we carry a large selection. $18 Hoya curtsies, but we also have $25, $35. Can't do any tours at Crazy Critters, so why don't we go on up? The pink belly side next. Ring, and then open a couple of beers, grab a fishing poles, and head down to the creek. Jump in and wrestle a couple of games. Probably the company of the other birds is making her happy. This beautiful older woman. We laughed, she took me under, and I never wanted to come back to the surface. My God, I'll tell you. But you see, in this thing that we call life, you may have people trying to stop your greatness, but no one can stop you of your drive, except for yourself. So here I am, trying to achieve greatness. Well, gonna achieve greatness. Check me out. Hey y'all, it's Cherrice from Crazy Plants down here at the nursery to film a stock video. I wanted to show you guys we got some milkweed, some porterweed on the outside. We also have Japanese plum and some bananas. A Jepicona spiderweb and a signature plant, dwarf Cavendish bananas. So not much on the outside. Inside sure is full of lovely treasures. Let's go find out what there is. We have African violets and dwarf African violets for $3.50. Some of them have variegated leaves, and all of them are marked and none of them are the same. So we have all single blooming and labeled, so you guys can get on Google and find your favorite bloom color. We have a burrowtail for $20. We have lithops for $4. We have peperomia for $6. We have mini watermelons. We have variegated obtusiflora. We have the Jenny. We have a few different, like I said, peperomias for $6. We have nerve plants and polka dot plants. We have a Prince of Orange philodendron and a Moonlight philodendron and one more heart fern. We have Ficus triangularis, or the sweetheart ficus. We have a variegated fig. We have one Sansevieria Wales fin left. That's $20. We have the awesome string of pearls for $25. We have some nice string of dolphins for $40 and $45. We still have string of rubies and string of watermelon. We have lots of edibles in stock. We still have blueberry, muscadine grape, fig, banana, turmeric, thornless blackberry, pomegranate, Russian pomegranate. We still have the food forest kit with olive, ginger, tea, black pepper, vanilla. You just got to come out and check out the different edibles we have. We have the Alocasia maharani. We have the Birkin philodendrons. We have a Rojo philodendron. We got the beautiful Dottie calathea. Beautiful begonias. This is our $10. Are these $10? Yeah, these are our $10 6-inch pots, but we carry a large selection of $6 begonias too. We have flamingo plant anthuriums. Those are $10. The Dotties are only $8. I had to go backwards because I didn't tell you how much those were, but aren't those really cute? And coincidentally, in the calatheas, it's one of the only calatheas that keeps the deep pink. So, gotta have one in your collection. We have string of hearts for $8, and we still have the $25 specimen. But we sold out of our $70 string of hearts, so we just have the small and mediums. Look at that $25 one. It is that long. Can you imagine? That long. Hawthornia cooperi for $4. Other rare Hawthornia for $8. But we got plenty of Hawthornias for $2.50 and $3.50. Got a couple Samurai Sansevierias for $6. Got the Queen Silveran Schinopsis for $8. We got a $20 copper plant, which is just fabulous. I'm in love with the color. We got $15 Fernwood Sansevierias. But we also have $10 specimens and lots of other Sansevierias to choose from, including the starfish and some variegated and some other rare ones. We got Piscia flame violets and strawberry begonias for $3.50. A whole lot of succulents. This is our $2.50 area. This is our $3.50 area. And $1.75s are on sale this week for $1.50. We've got lemongrass for $7. We have a very cool kangaroo fern. It's very large. And it's only $18 in the hanging basket. It's pretty beautiful. Got a $20 philodendron salam. We got the philodendron micans for $10. $18 ZZ plants. $7 lavender. Pearls and jade pothos. $15 rabbitfoot ferns. $20 Swiss cheese plants. We have some young Rapidora tetraspermas for $12. We have $25 and $35 Hoya patches, paculatas. We have $12 tricolor princess. We have $20 Hoya kentianas. We also have $25 and $35 Hoya kentianas. We have $18 Hoya curtsies, but we also have $25, $35, and $45 curtsies. We have $15 Hoya Hindu ropes, but we also have $35 Hindu ropes. We have $15 Australis and some hybrid queens. $25 Exotica. We have Hoya Publixi or Splash. And lots of Hoyas to choose from. Including Lisa, Macrophylla, and Linnaeus. In all different sizes and all different price ranges. Alright y'all, it's summertime. Our summertime hours have changed. We're closed on Wednesday, so we're open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday from 10 to 3. But I'm going to tell you, the darn weather is just causing so much trouble. The rain in the afternoons. Rain in the morning sometimes too. So please check the weather before coming out or look on our Facebook page, Crazy Plants Nursery, and we'll let you know if we're open or not. Don't forget we're cash only, so you've got to check the weather and got to stop at the ATM machine. All proceeds for the plant sales go directly to nonprofit Crazy Critters Inc. We're a private animal sanctuary in Eustis, Florida. We do not do public tours. We do private events. Of course, we're currently landlocked by our neighbors, so we can't do any tours at Crazy Critters. So why don't we go on up? We still got to take out the birds for the morning. Since the current fundraiser is for the birds, we'll go on up and we'll meet a few of those. See you up there. I gotta go and walk through the turtle greenhouse, just make sure all the waters are running good. So maybe you'll help me catch something out. Let's see. I doubt it though. It's a little bit. Missed it. I'm sorry. It's fun to walk around in the morning because everybody kind of wants breakfast. Mud turtles are also personable anyways. The sliders, they're personable too. Turtles hide by nature for the most part. the pink belly side necks. You'll hardly ever see a cybrachia out. So. Did you catch that? Oh no. It's really difficult to catch turtles out. Alright, well the turtle greenhouse looks all good and clear. We just have 3 empty tubs on this whole entire row. Every pond back there is full of residents except for a few that are getting acclimated. We have turtles all in here. So the summertime blues sucks because plant cells helps us take care of everybody, but luckily we've been saving for this season because last summer sucked too. Matter of fact, we were going to close down the whole summer this year, but well, we adopted a whole bunch of animals, so that didn't work out in our favor. That's what we said last July. We were like, we're going to close down all of July and August, no matter what. We'll work extra hard, but all we did was work extra hard at accepting so many animals now that we can't take off for summer. So, hey, you guys come on down and come see us at the nursery, please. This Tic Tac, our white rheas, they're spending the days with the bigger rheas. We still lock them up in the winter barn at night because they're not quite big enough to be out all night long by themselves. And they're spending their day with Bean and Weenie, which are out in the field right now. Hi guys! Alright, well let's go in. We gotta take the birds outside, which is an everyday thing, but one day we want to be able to just roll up a garage door and the birds are inside at night and then they come out to their flight aviaries. I don't know, Ken thought about building it right here on the garage. We also thought about building a barn out here and doing a walkway from our door here, and then we'll have the structure here so we can walk rain-free. But we have electricians and contractors coming in to help us out and make that decision. But it did occur to us that we can't even get a contractor down the road with us being landlocked. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Same with the cost of construction. Costs are going up. It's like nothing is working in our favor, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. The rheas all get along really good. We weren't sure if the bigger ones would be okay, but they do fine. Ah, there's a squirrel. Did you guys see it? We're having a problem. Did you see it? We're having a problem with our porch here on the back. Oh, here, let me clean off this moisture. Alright, so it's a little better. So squirrels and rats too. So we have the parrots. The parrots eat seed. The seed fall on the ground. Then rats come. And we have this wood deck and the rats hide under it. So Ken is going to has been pulling up the wood deck, and we're going to have a concrete truck come out here and pour concrete. So, because this is a very important part of our facility, we got the quarantine ponds for turtles in quarantine, and then of course birds during the day. And once we have the bird barn, then this will be our bird quarantine porch. So for now, until we have the bird barn, the birds are inside the garage at night, and then we bring them out, and Kenny does that in the mornings for us, so he's in there getting Hunter now. Walking by, I got real pretty Senecio that is blooming. It's just beautiful color bloom. I don't know if it's gonna clear up because of the weird morning we're having. I think I need a new camera. It's like it doesn't, or maybe it needs to be serviced. Y'all know it's gonna suck to have to buy a new camera, boy. That's gonna be expensive. Alright, so quarantine ponds. So, well, this one is full of fish. We raise our own guppies so we can always have food to feed animals. But the turtle ponds are dirty, so while Ken is getting birds, I'm going to drain them so we can put clean, fresh water. And all we do is, I don't know where the tool is. Darn it all. So we just pull that. Wait for them to drain. And we wait for these to drain. And then, oh, there's Ken and Hunter.
What you doing?
Oh, I was trying to clean ponds. Hi, Hunter! So this is Hunter. You guys saw her on the Dave Kaufman show. She's still not painting, but we really enjoy our time with her. We have Q-Bird. He's a Quaker bird. We took him in about 5 years ago. He didn't have one single feather on him. We couldn't even tell what kind of bird he was. So he was completely bald, looked like a walking chicken leg. Malnutrition and neglect, really. But he's doing really good. This cage was donated to us by a really, really awesome supporter. And has actually given us a few cages, and it helps us do more. This is Billy. He's an Indian ringneck parakeet. We got him from the FWC Amnesty program. Or her, I should say her, because she lays eggs in her box all the time. We have 2 minor birds. And here's Ken with Rambo. Say hi, Rambo. Say hi to your mom. She was just calling to check on Rambo. A lot of pet owners do contact us to check on their pets. But he's doing excellent. We still can't handle him by hand, but we try. We do it inside when we're alone. We just don't want to get bit on video and start bleeding on today. So, but Rambo's doing really good. And just like that, we're cleaning turtle ponds, and we'll let that run for a little while we're waiting for Ken to bring out another bird. It can be a lot of work having and housing all these birds. I mean, in the morning time, we come out and we give fresh food and fresh water to every single cage, or enclosure, if that's how you want to say it. And in the evening, every drop of food gets dumped into a container. Every water bowl gets dumped out and dried out. Every single night this happens. And then leftover food is given to the chickens. So we have a system, and it's recycle, reuse, and it works for us. But people ask us all the time, I mean, isn't this a lot of work? And well, yeah, it's a lot of work to take this good quality of care. But we have help. We use Missouri diet. And our supporters, you guys responded by making sure we have lots of paper. So we're able to change paper near daily. It's daily, it's every other day. Some days I'm tired. But yeah, all the cages are always clean and maintained on a regular basis. And that just helps our jobs go smoothly. One thing we do is use diatomaceous earth in the bottom of all of the bird enclosures to prevent mites and lice and all that stuff. This is Sammy. Hold on right here. Come right here. Oh, I just almost fell. Hi, Sammy. Say hi. Sammy we took in, but she's doing really good. We're really happy with her feather growth. We want to attribute a lot of things to that. Probably the company, thank you, Ken. Probably the company of the other birds is making her happy and less bored. We're addressing vitamin deficiencies like manganese. We're using magnesium sulfate so she can absorb the calcium and the other vitamins better, and lots of stuff. So we're really happy with her feather growth, and we're really happy with Rambo's behavior. We're just really happy with overall health of the birds. So if you guys will consider coming out to the plant sale, helping us raise money. Hold on, I just had a bug on my back. I don't know what kind of bug it was because I don't want to look. It might have been a roach. I don't know. Probably a fly. Alright. It's off. So anyways, if you guys will come out to the plant sale this week, we'll be able to build that barn. It's going to look something like, I'm going to put a picture right here. It's not going to be the exact barn, but it'll be something like that. You know, it'll help us get that built a lot faster. didn't mean to scare you, little guy. Oh, we can't forget our Jojo. He needs a new house. Don't you, Joe? Hi, Joe. Hi, Jojo. And just like that, nice clean water. Food and water for all the birds. All the animals here are taken care of. So, look at our devil's backbone. Pretty nice. Which reminds me to make sure you guys come on down to Crazy Plants Nursery. Check out the plant sale. Our Hangy-Pangy is blooming too. It's really beautiful. Alright, well, the Crazy Plants Nursery is located at 22919 County Road 44A, Eustis, Florida. You guys can look us up on Google. Find our address and hours of operation. Are there babies? Awesome. Oh, let's see if that works. I'm curious. You guys see the babies? I don't know if that works like catch them all. Oh, yeah. I do think you could see them better. Alright, well, I guess the birds say it's time to go. Get our morning video posted, so we hope to see you guys at the nursery plant sale.